Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I need soap and blender time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy have me and the girl have me with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. So you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I need soap and blender time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check.
Ragashanti live.
Check. Check.
I need soap and
Check.
blender time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Soke.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, people, coming.
Ragashanti live.
Like a drama thing, you know. I wouldn't tap in music. Okay, that's all right.
Ragashanti live.
Good night, Nadine Stewart. Good night, Miss Stewart. My name's here. Glad of yourself. Blessings and respect, all massive and crew. All right, take care. All right, people, big up on yourself. Ragashanti live in the 8th man, the big bad bridge, 99 FM. Who are Jamaica, large up on yourself and thing. Big up everybody, everything. If you're in a church and you're hide and listen right, you know, big up yourself and thing. All right, it's all good. Or if you're not in a church, but you're a church somebody, and you squeeze a one listen, see him here. Just, you know, it's all good. All who eat like a fried plant today and thing, big up on yourself, or probably you eat one like an egg, or you eat fried bread fruit, but it roasts before. All right, big up yourself. Or today you eat what we Jamaicans call Sunday Monday. All right, Sunday Monday. And in this instance, Sunday is descriptive and Monday is the noun. So Sunday are the adjective and Monday is the noun. Sunday, Monday. So it's Monday's food, bring over from Sunday. So Sunday is the descriptor for Monday. Whatever it is, people, a man a reason and thing and whatever, just a whole a reason and thing, and the man say, I want to listen to this, you know, everybody have them little, you know, everybody have them food preferences, don't? And among your food preferences, some people have some little differences where they recommend boil, fried dump. What that say? What you say, boiled fried dumpling or bowl fried dumpling? We don't even know how you write this in. But anyway. So everybody have them little... Uh-oh. All right, hold on there. A team view or something, I jump up and make me close it. All right, cool. Yeah, man. So everybody have them little, idiosyncrasies when it comes to food and things. Things where them like and things where them don't like and all them things. And yeah, and some people have some little weird preferences and things. But even when people, may have some little weirdness about it, it's almost like it's still within a realm where you can say, yeah, and I might think that, me not do that to my food, but yeah, you not a problem with somebody have, for them little special thing with them have. The only people who make accommodations for to eat some really weird things is pregnant women. Don't ask me why. I have no idea why. But pregnant women, they quite often have the urge to eat some weird things, right? I don't know why that is. I don't. But it is something unique to pregnancy. If anybody have an expert, most people know say it happened, but nobody knows why it happened, all right? I guess it's some sort of hormonal fluctuation that result in that happen. But there is something working there where it's specifically unique to pregnancy, whatever that thing is. Where, women who are pregnant, it is not unusual for them to crave some of the weirdest thing to eat, right? Again, it is not unusual for women who are pregnant to, just want to eat some of the weirdest thing. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be weird. Sometimes they'll crave to eat something that before they didn't like. Like before, you could have never get them to eat it. But when they're pregnant, them just want to eat it. So it don't have to be something weird. The point is that it's just one specific instance where we don't know why, but people are accommodating of pregnant women just craving and eating the weirdest things, right? We all know that. So, if we have a case where somebody just go out of the ordinary, then, it would show you off. So this man I know, him say, very often when him eat for him food, him find say, him food will kind of spice up and taste, a little nicer if him sprinkle little Listerine over the food. Now, again, someone of me a listen and I say, well, Raga, that is not really a big deal. It's a big deal to me. It sounds weird to me. It's weird to me. Because someone of me I say, well, then Listerine is something going on your mouth and, you wash out your mouth and thing and whatever. Or someone of me I say, well, it's not really that bad, I don't like say something disgusting or awful. Or someone of me I say, well, Listerine, when you think about it, me have a little spice to it, a little tang to it or something. I don't know, whatever. And me I say, well, the little lemony thing in it. Oh, by the way, him say it's the blue one. Him say it's not the old school yellow one where have more bite to it. For those of you familiar with Listerine, the original Listerine, it have that kind of orange yellow look. Kind of look like pee-pee, actually. Well, pee-pee where... it just sound disgusting. But it have the original kind of yellow-orangish look to it, right? So him says not that one. Because as some of you are aware, Listerine started, kind of one that harsh. The one that just... It just kind of like burn your mouth and all these things. But... Listerine later made these blue and green one that are not as me did I eat pistachio and almond before me come in here and talking about eating something. You know. But anyway, yeah. So we know about the blue and the green one. Him say is the blue one him attack, the blue one him attack. And him I say, boy, him just love to sprinkle a little of that over him food more while when him a eat, cause him say that make your food taste a little better. So you know you may put like a little pepper on your food, or you may have your little sprinkle thing where you put on it or whatever to spice it up or whatever. And man I say a Listerine him sprinkle on him food. I've never heard anything like that before. Never ever heard anything like that before. But who will tell, because who will tell if there's any, strange, weird things out there where people, Nakita, big up yourself. Who will tell if there's any other strange, weird things out there where people like and all them things and whatever, or anyone that want to listen, there might be something on the like with food or whatever, and that other people not too like. And I'd be interested to hear, Junior Levy say he love pick a pepper pan him food. Me's a pepper man, Me's a pepper man. Me never like pepper when me a little bit younger, whatever, but me like pepper right right? Me's a Scotch bonnet pepper man, right? So me like. But of course, nothing wrong with that. All over the world, people eat hot food, right? Well, in America, them love for pepper things just for pepper's sake and it have no flavor. Pepper have flavor. And when me come to America, me realize that pepper have flavor, because through me just grew up with all pepper will have flavor in Jamaica. Me never know say you have something else outside of that. Like you can't just have pepper when it have no flavor. I hope you some come know say pepper, you can't have pepper with just hot stuff. It just hot stuff for no reason. Just hot stuff for no other reason. I can't manage them something there. Like all a Tabasco, something there when them love up here. I can't manage it. Very popular up here, Jamaicans. Them have one sitting named Tabasco. It's probably the most popular pepper sauce up here in America. And it just hot with no flavor. It just hot with no flavor. I don't like it. So up here, some realize, our pepper have flavor, Even our pepper sauce have flavor, right? And pepper is a big thing now, It's quite a huge cash product now, cause when you look out upon the market, a whole heap of pepper sauce out there right now, and in terms of producers, over the years we have had some additional players in the condiments market and from the Caribbean and even from Jamaica. And many of them have brought forth their own products and under their brand and pepper is one of the popular choices out there. So we have a variety of pepper, not only from the Caribbean, but even specifically from Jamaica and thing or whatever, and in my opinion, some better. Karen, I like that sriracha thing. I love that sriracha thing. But that is not Jamaican. I think that is from Asia, probably India, one of them places. Because Is where? Guyanese? Where? President tell me where sriracha come from, Guyanese? Oh, Chinese? Hong Kong? President says sriracha come from Hong Kong. Me like it. It have flavor. That sriracha pepper something that it have flavor. Me like it. Me go on I wonder if President right here Hong Kong, because I think we had sriracha, if I'm not mistaken. It was a what you call it? What the one them I forgot, lad, man. Thai. I think it's a Thai restaurant first. Me did have sriracha, But me like the sriracha pepper one. That one there work. And, with respect to uno what go on with it and thing. But people, Listerine on your food. You sprinkle a little Listerine on your food and it make your food taste Why, you know the saying go, to each his own, to each your own, so it's whatever make your boat float, Whatever work for you, if that work for you and thing, but that is a little weird. That is a little weird. One other thing, this have nothing to do with food. A lady said she likes to rub pineapple on her hair root in her head. She said pineapple is good for hair, but she said you have to rub it at the root of the hair. So somebody said, why it do for it? She said it make your hair healthier. Somebody said, what healthier mean? Like you eat more body? She said it does make your hair healthier, make your hair stronger and richer and whatever. I am convinced that some people just hear about certain things and do it and perhaps just believe it after them and do it for a while and, some sort of self-fulfilling prophecy just kick in. And what would have been normal, appears to them that there's a difference working. All right? Because TamFam has only know about my Papa Tree story. When me they live at GX Road. That are half Mountain View there. Between which when me live at GX Road and place between GX Road and Langston Road. Right? And I know my Papa Tree story. And thing when me did young and thing say if me lick my little something upon the Papa Tree, it will get bigger. You understand? I don't know my Papa Tree story. Many of you don't know my Papa Tree story already. By the way, we have a little thing that come up and we must just look out for it because when I've been at one event and things, so I want to know say what is coming in sidebar. I want to know what is coming into the fore is a kind of Ragashanti comedy party. Right? Me tell you no what name. I don't want to put the name out the card, then I take a name and run with it. All right, but it's a Ragashanti stand-up comedy party. Stand-up comedy and party. All right, so that is coming up. Oh, yeah. Well, Dania, you know exactly how I go on with my Papa Tree story. So, but in a nutshell, I go on hear this over and over. But basically, when you grow up in Jamaica, them tell you say if man lick them something upon Papa Tree, it get big. And when me did young, probably about, pretty young, live at GX Road and thing. Then time me I lick a picnic. And, me I follow with the big man, them go say, I'm going to lick my sitting upon Papa Tree when me live at GX Road. And, but when me I lick it and thing and whatever, and I whap and I hide and I whap it up in the morning time when I wake up and go, but I go and pee and walk, go down the hill and go down the Papa Tree and wait. I never even know some mother did that see me and she hide and I watch me all time every morning when I do it. But when me I whap up my little tea lip on the Papa Tree, in my mind, it's a working, man. It's like I could have feel this humongous monstrosity I grew up. That the time it now move, it don't even move an inch. It don't even move and when I say an inch, it don't even move like a fraction of a millimeter, it ain't move. But in your mind, you set out towards an objective and you have completed whatever task it is you needed to do in order to reach that objective. And then in doing so, after completing the task, you're convinced that the thing will work and you can feel it, And my little impressionable mind, and it did get bigger. It a bigger, like I carry one heavy piece of weight down there. Not a heavy piece of weight down there. You understand? I did feather same way. But it's just how the mind works. So you have people who do them something. Now people tell me weapon. Wait, somebody post and I say you can rub avocado. Them rub avocado on your ear. Lord Jesus. I done me, I got done them about the woman about the pineapple. Prezi, somebody post say you can't rub avocado on your ear root for some reason or whatever. Anyway, the woman the woman says she rub pineapple in her ear at the base, on her scalp. Cause she said that good for her ear. Anyone ever hear about that yet? Anyone ever hear anything go so? Right? We know about Castor oil and them sitting there. Well, we're assuming those things work too, don't? Well, you can't tell Jamaicans that never work because that is like a standard, that is like a staple in a Jamaican culture. You know, that castor oil thing there. Big thing up here, you know, forget genuine Jamaican castor oil I sell up here, you know, people. Yeah? I know some of you love send up a real Jamaican white rum and all them something there and whatever. But let me tell you, man, the amount of time me hear woman a beg other people to bring up some castor oil from Jamaica for me. We're pretty punchy, sir. I had no boobs growing up. Someone told me to rub onion or scallion on my boobs. Never tried it. Now I have boobs for a decade. Well, big up yourself. No, pretty punchy. You probably don't even know what the girl them used to rub a Jamaica. Wait. All these products are in here products, including avocado, mint, and oh, I never know them. So them Marina said them something that already in enough ear products. But anyway. Them used to have one something where the girl them, when they tell the girl them to put on them breasts, when they not on a breast. I think a river, one something. Somebody soon post it. Somebody soon post it and tell you I want. Forgot what the name. Where the girl them used to put on them breasts. On them nipple for get bigger. Well, little girls and things used to do. So you didn't know about that at Jamaica. But well, I see some people here said, nah man, not for them something. But whenever you okay, all right, mint, avocado, etc. Mint? Yolanda said guava leaf good for hair. Backside, I didn't hear about them. So what I know? If mint and avocado, what we call pear, and we never know if I pronounce your name in a Sivan or Sevan. Bubble biter. Yeah, I eat. Yeah, bubble biter. Yeah, that is the thing them where the girl them put on them. Okay, Pretty Punch said the little black thing them was swim around in the river. One did bite me. Well, yeah, that's something that them claim say, you know. Yeah, okay. Somebody says she used tuna plant in her ear. All right. Well, no. But come to think of it then, well, Andy. If oh, by the way, the phone line open, you know. The phone line open here, 876-676-4996. I want them to know the number by heart. Are the right number that present? 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Raga me did stuff up mother and cousin and uncle, wife, brazier for have breasts. But Lord Raga, me blessed with breasts for kill. No, okay, all right then. Bubble biter was tadpole, don't it? Then tadpole no. Then tadpole no little bullfrog prezi. Eh? He prezi? Tadpole no little bull. So a frog they used to have a bite out their breasts to get bigger. No, bigger and serious though. What me I say is, if them something they want to refer to right now, because based on me soon I post like them something there a regular thing for people putting at them ear. Right? Well, we know about tuna, you know. Well, we have tuna and single Bible, now the same thing single Bible is what we call tuna too. Aloe vera, no? It we call tuna too. Eh? All right, give me a call, President. Hello.
Hello, good night, Raga.
Good night, where you going?
Yeah, me there.
What you say?
Yeah, tuna and single Bible different, you know.
Oh, tuna and single Bible different.
So the two of them, we use the two of them now we hear same way.
Oh, but the two of them using a year. So, hold on there. Tuna bitter like single Bible?
No, single Bible bitter.
No, me know single Bible bitter, but tuna no bitter.
No, I don't know about tuna because I never eat the tuna.
You never?
I soak in a coconut water and drink it.
You do what?
Soak the tuna in a coconut water and drink it.
You soak tuna in a coconut water?
Yeah, and drink, but I wash off the tuna first and scrape it off. I scrape it off first and then I wash it off. And I cut it and put it in it.
But what you put that coconut water for?
Yeah, to make it soak and drink it.
I know, but why you do that? Why it do for you?
It can't build up, and my uncle-in-law do it. He said it can't build up.
Okay, so you just see your uncle-in-law do it and you do it too?
Yeah.
So when they say build up, what you mean by that?
I don't know what I mean, but he said it can't build up. It's a good for that.
That is such a typical Jamaican answer. So you don't really know why it do. You just see your uncle do it and your uncle said this can build you up, it's good for you, so you just do it too, don't it?
Yeah.
You see it, people?
Another five come to people that drink here, you know.
People, my point exactly. So me I tell you, people, you have a whole heap of people who just hear about these things and people telling us that this good for so and so. I want to don't even know if you just do it. So you put tuna in a coconut water and drink it. You ever drink single Bible?
No, eat it.
You eat it. Listen to me, man. My mother used to boil it. Let me tell you something. Nothing no stinks when you boil it. Nothing. It called the bitter smell. It smell up in whole place. Because be a tenement yard me grew up in, you know. And when my mother make boil single Bible and thing, the whole of the other tenant them vex. The whole of the other tenant them vex and whatever. Because when I tell you that single Bible, the bitter smell just stink up a place and whatever. But yeah, my mother never ramp with them something, the man. And so what I don't know. So you say you never eat tuna, but you scrape it off and put it in a coconut water.
Yeah.
But you eat single Bible?
Yeah.
You eat the bitter single Bible?
Yes, man. Me too, man.
Regularly?
Yeah.
Yo, them say that good for you, you know. Them say it clean you out, you know.
I want to talk to you about. I different something I want to talk to you about, man.
What you say, what?
I different something I want to talk to you about, you know. I saw a big man call one night.
Yeah, talk to me, man. What you say? What?
No, I saw a big man call one night. I want to know where I can send Elizabeth he come from.
You want to know what the big man who call him one night?
Yeah, on the dating thing.
Oh, on the dating thing.
Yeah.
You know, she did what? Is that somebody specific she want, you know? So, yeah.
Specific?
Yeah, somebody specific she want, you know?
What do you mean specific? Like if it's personal?
No, man, if I'm not, if it's a person who I think you're referring to, she did want, is somebody, no, man, who you refer to?
Yeah.
She did want, is somebody specific she want to talk to, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, all right. But anybody call for you, you know. Only God can tell you. You don't know, say, a link there. Yeah. All right?
Yeah, what kind of record? There, they go change one floor chip in one diesel chip, you know.
Yeah.
And Laura Lucy, some floor girl come from West, they sell it. And me go change one diesel chip. 4489936 number, I go change. So me change now and take out the iPhone 6S Plus and put it down in the morning and in the evening, go put it back. It flow chip lock down your phone. The flow chip now send out no call.
The flow chip lock down the phone?
Yeah.
So hold on, it did work before? It did work before?
Yes, the phone didn't work.
What you said? Did you say it is an iPhone 6?
Yeah, 6S Plus.
Oh, so is that?
No, this flow chip now, it locked down in the phone, so I take it out now and put my next diesel chip in the iPhone 6S Plus.
Yeah.
And the chip the work, but the flow chip now work.
So the digital chip I work, but the floor chip now work.
No.
Okay, so which one you want to use? The digital chip? Which one you want to use? The digital chip or the floor chip?
No, let me tell you everything. Sorry, a minute. You say the floor chip when me have?
Yeah.
I want diesel chip. I went 2 diesel chip and got.
Yeah.
I tell myself, say, me not change the first one, I got change the last one I have. The last one I just get.
Right.
Right. I change now. I switch it to them. The diesel chip and get on floor. So me I want diesel chip, I want floor chip. So see floor chip now.
Yeah.
1 month later when I penny. I said, I'm going to call the chip in the morning. I put it on and then I even know I'm going to put it in back now.
Yeah, man, I understand that. But what I say is, you want to use a floor chip in your phone, right?
Yeah, but
I don't know, probably that new phone chip that can work with the iPhone 6, you know? I wish what iPhone reach right now. What them there about 13 them there now? About 13 them there now. Crazy, how iPhone there? What?
A 14.
Oh, a 14 I come out now.
Yeah.
Okay, and what you say you work with the iPhone 6 you work with?
6S Plus.
Okay, so when the 6X Plus did come out, when the one that did come out?
A long time come out, I don't know when do.
But about a year?
I couldn't tell me, not tell you, I couldn't tell you.
Only God can tell me, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. What year, hold on, what year did the iPhone 6 come on? Let me see what them say. Okay. Them say that around 2014, you know. Yeah. So I don't know if I show, you know, 2022, you know, you see me? So you see with them technology thing, they 1 year long, you know, so, and that 8 years ago, so, I don't even know what to tell you. I don't know if I that, I don't know if the floor phone have problem with the older chip then, but, and the floor chip have on the credit down what you want to use down.
Yeah, the data.
The data, you want to use the data. Yeah. All right, well, you put it over the radio, probably somebody from Flow can make we know what go on here. If anybody say nothing.
The company say, only God can't tell him what me think I can back a replacement. Please, not beg him.
All right, then. Them hear you, man. Them hear you, okay?
My number is 484-2380. Give me a call, man. Only God can't tell you. Look more then. Give thanks.
All right, then, Papa. All right. Yeah, man, come on, that break. We're so forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM. How you deal with? Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, back in our juggling and thing and whatever. And well, I reason about 2 things and thing. I'm telling about one brother who say him like to sprinkle little Listerine. The blue Listerine in him food because that make it kind of taste good to him. Weird. Really, really weird. But, hey, people out there eat some of the strangest thing. Some people like some of the strangest thing. And then the conversation will go to this woman and now, she says she like to rub pineapple. Not in her ear, but at the ear root. She said rubbing pineapple her hair root. She said that is good for her hair. I've never heard of that. And yeah, bring in the call, Prezi. And it's a little weird, but based on some things I'm say someone send me or whatever, I guess that is not that unusual, though. You know, I say pear, you know, both the term is avocado, we say pear. Apple. I don't know about apple. Prezi, what you say, Carla? 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. And what are some of the weird things the really different things I'm going to use on here and thing and well, see, I just talk about papatry and where you believe and all them thing there. somebody say Papa. But ladies, you don't put everything down here, man. Me never hear about Papa and pineapple and... Hold on. Asian people use Papa in them ear. Well, be careful, you know. Remember, I say Asia is huge. They talk about the whole of China, which have so much diversity and variety by itself. Then you talk about Korea, then you talk about Japan, then you talk about the southern Asian countries, them Vietnam, Thailand, and them place there. And a lot of differences over there. Karen said the man who put the blue Listerine on his food is lacking some chemical in his body. As dentists say, you're not to swallow Listerine. Okay, somebody else has said egg yolk is used in I guess this is in your egg yolk. I never heard of that either. Whatever, man. Junior leave it, whatever. All right, hello, good night, hello.
Yes, so I go, my general.
There, I know what I say.
Yeah, man, I Gary from all over Bay, man. Long time listener, long time caller.
Cool, now, Gary, what you say night, yeah, Papa?
Yeah, man, more than like the people, them, they don't like the listener, them press the like button, you know.
Man, no worry about that. No worry about that. You know, nobody even mentioned that. Them arm.
All right, so I'm just press it. Anyway, I just tuned in about 15 minutes ago still, and the last caller,
yeah,
he was mentioning about the tuna.
Yeah.
But the tuna is a detoxing, I detox your body.
Is it something for drink or something? You know, I have had tuna in Jamaica. I just don't remember. I have had it. I think I've had it from my mom, but I just don't quite remember. But you say it's for detoxing your body, right?
Yeah, detoxing your body. It cleanses your body. I never done it before, but my friend them do it and tell me about it. And person soak it like for days and drink it also.
Hold on. Here where my mother mix it tuna with when we did it at Percy Street. Cersei. My mother mix it tuna. Some juice. It have a slimy juice. It come in like it have that juice. They like it's almost like single Bible, but it's not single Bible obviously like the caller before. So, but
right.
Yeah, and but my mother did eat that. Give us Cersei and ginger. We did have this thing about we have to get Cersei and ginger 9 mornings straight, or okay. Sometime. Or we get one time she did do tuna and Cersei. I don't know what but it's like a cleanser. Well, like it's a detoxer, yeah. It was like a cleanser. It's
important to have it in your backyard. It and the single Bible. And some person use it to wash them. I heard that it keep the rash hair just like the shampoo. It's like a shampoo itself.
Yes, the tuna. Yeah, the tuna used to wash here. That is true. The tuna.
Right,
the Rasta them do that, you know. The Rasta them do that, you know. The Rasta them do that with the tuna, you know. Them use it, wash them here.
And when I was much younger, I saw where ladies slice it and tie it around their head. Like, I don't know if it's like when they have headache or whatever, but...
What them, slice the tuna and tie it around them head?
Tie it around, line it right around their head and tie it down like with something like a tide.
But you don't know if they were like treating the hair, or you don't know if it was some medical purposes like a headache or so? You don't know?
I don't know. I don't know because I didn't ask. So when I was much younger, I don't see that happen anymore. But Raga, can I say something else?
Yeah, man.
I have a friend and him say whenever time I have pain, and use the WD and spray anywhere I have the pain, and in no time the pain erase. And I was saying to him,
Jesus God, a joke you make no?
No man, a real thing, Raga. A real thing. He was there.
Well, on WD-40.
WD-40. Yes, WD-40.
Well, on WD-40, we make fi take off our rust off, like car rim and all them something there and wheel. And what you say him say what?
Him say whenever time him have pain anywhere like him near whatever wherever on his body, and spray it and in space like in 10 minutes time, all the pain gone. And I was encouraging him to don't use it because, you know, that thing is make for metal rust business. So when you do that now, it penetrates your pulse and it go inside your body. But him say it use him now.
It penetrates your pores. Oh, you mean your pores? Your pores. Right. It penetrates your pores. Right. No, the skin is quite soluble. So when you put anything on it, it actually soak in and going in your skin, you know, and going in your bloodstream. All right. Make a reason out that note. No, what you say? Anytime him feel pain, him say put the WD-40 on. I show you. I'm speculating now, you know, but I show you the mind thing. Don't you always hear people a joke and I say, why you born them now work, man, or whatever, you need some WD-40, man, for loosen up and thing. Don't you hear people say that all the way?
Yes, true.
Is it now far-fetched to think that on some level this man and me know say WD-40 is used, you know, for shall we say, for loosen up metal and iron and all them something there. And he made us try, and in a fee mind, it worked. Because, with all due respect, when you just say a foolishness in a chat, you know?
Yeah, but I wouldn't put that on my body, because it don't make for the human body.
Exactly, but what I'm saying, based on what you say, in a fee mind, it work. Anytime him use it work.
There's nothing you can do to convince him, so if you just allow him, you know.
That poor man.
And I know that you have person when they are like belly hurting them, they rub cursing on it. I growing up and see people do it a lot. I don't know if you heard about that.
Yo, let me tell you something, you know. I'm going to go careful, you know. And just as a disclaimer to all your listeners out there, while we discuss these things, we are in no way endorsing it or recommending that you take it, okay? The Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio are in no way endorsing any of these things, to, you know, on the understanding that they're supposed to do what people claim that they do.
True.
No, but you see that cursing and something there. Let me tell you, my man, I did have about 9 buckle on the side of our dresser.
Yeah.
All right, about 9 buckle. And each one. When I say buckle, rum flask buckle, you know, Jamaican rain nephew, rum flask, but they look square rectangle.
Right, they look this one.
Yeah, so she have 9, and each one of them they have different something in it. If me tell you why of them, me can't tell you. Each is a special mixture, right? Because my mother was like a herbalist, right? Because that she grew up in. All I knew was some of the most spectacular stuff. I know about 3 of them did have scorpion tail in it. I kid you not. Yeah. But 3 of them did have scorpion tail, with each buckle having different something, you know. But one did have in cursing oil, you know. One did have in cursing oil. One did have in cursing oil. I don't know why else it in it and thing. And the other thing when we did use cursing oil for, come to think of it right, you know, why, it wasn't a good idea, but, you know, now that I all understand, and see, somebody a post that say it solved my very this and that belly pain. See, somebody has said, but cursing oil can't good as soak in your pores. It can't good. But when we grew up, you know, and you have lice, you know, you rub Vaseline, you run ear oil, but mostly Vaseline round the edge of your ear, go right round, and then you put cursing oil in your head, in your ear, and then you wrap it up, and that's how you kill the lice them. I saw we kill lice when you look a bit.
Yeah, it's true.
We never have the money if you go buy no bossy thing at pharmacy and all them something. So when you grow up, everything homemade, but just think about them cursing oil, you know. Because me they catch lice about 2 or 3 times when I grew up, you know. And my mother do. So just think about all of them cursing oil that were gone down in my head right there. I must eat, me not too right you know, the cursing oil must in my brain, you know.
You're right, man.
Then I say I must eat my head gone a little bit because the cursing oil.
All right, man. No, say that make some, your head all right, man.
You think so? No, man, sometimes I think my head touch a little bit, man. My head touch a little bit, man. No, that me I think about it, I must say the cursing oil. No, but what I'm saying is, Yeah, that was a see that. Now it all makes sense, I think. The lad was abused negligently.
People they were here to, yes, man, you see my confess, me know say me do good. Yeah.
No, but what I'm saying is, if the cursing Nile did a soak in my head them time, that could not have been anything good. That couldn't be good.
But Raga, me have one more thing to say now.
Yeah.
Remember when we Somali and we get a cut,
Yeah.
And them grate, then get the banana and grate the banana and mix it and use the burnt kernel from the lamp and mix it up with the banana and tie it pan your foot and so and by daylight it draw out every pain or every bacteria or whatever you don't.
No, but that are the same thing you do, man, when you step on nail.
Yeah, when you step on nail.
When you step on nail, man, that's something there, man.
You tie it pan it with it, you mix it up with the kernel, the banana. Green banana, you like.
Well, I know, but them when they grate a green banana, them never like do something with it, like kind of make it hotter or something. I
don't remember if them eat it over the fire, but I know that.
I think some sort of heating up going with that. Somebody will post it, man. Somebody will post it.
Them say the right kernel is the one that in the lamp will burn already. Them say that is the right one.
You're right. Say you're right. Say you're right.
That one is the right one.
The one we're born already, yeah.
Born in a Raga. 71 me born with the pan there a long time. Man.
Cool, no, man. No, but you're right. It have to come out of the home sweet home lamp.
Exactly. The same lamp. Then
it have to come out
the one that in the lamp. That one burn. Yeah.
Yeah, because the wick, the wick, we go down in a lamp, it have to have that something the way it do something to it after it burn, It go down through the flat kind of white wick the way it go down in the person. Yeah.
Right.
Well, you ever grew up, you have to clean the home sweet home lamp, you ever have to clean it? I'm blowing it. Yeah.
Yes, man, clean all the shade.
Clean the shade. Yeah, I attack, you clean it, you have newspaper, you blowing it and clean.
Definitely.
Yeah, we didn't have to do that. But you're right about that. But I think the banana, when you do the banana and it draw out the poison, right? Because when you step on rusty nail, them say you have to get out the poison. And
yeah,
thing
man,
and them.
Even if the area swell, it just dry right down. Yeah.
Oh.
It's a powerful thing, but I just say,
so Michigan post and say, yes, you have to heat up the banana. So it was green banana, right? It was green banana, right?
Yes, green banana.
Green banana.
Yes.
Yeah.
And get a piece of cloth, and tight.
Yeah. Well, you never tie with the same banana leaf to, so you never have to put the same banana leaf to something in the cloth.
Our grandmother used piece of material cloth and tie it, but I don't know about the leaf.
You never. What me I say, when you scrape the banana, you never have a case where the banana where you put the banana in the. Okay, no worry about it. Cause me I try to remember something to do with the banana leaf too, but I can't pick up that one there. No man, you dip in a kitty a while ago, man. You go in the archives a while ago, man. You understand? Yeah, bring back something them right there. And them thing I'm loving.
But through the ear, you did mention the ear was the topic. I never did one, but I did want to just mention.
No, man, then you don't know me sure run, man. You just you sound like somebody who know the realm of thing, cause you now go call in right now and I say, Raga, about an amendment to the Constitution that Bro God proposed. What you think about Audley Shaw's? I said, no, go talk to Bruce Golden about that.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
Very interesting, but probably not within the the realm of what we like to the things we like to discuss on this show.
Yeah, definitely.
You ever hear about woman that put pineapple in? Exactly. You ever hear about woman that put pineapple on them ear root?
No.
I never hear about that. No, but based on all of some of the things that we may hear since night, mint, avocado, what we call pear and whatever. Then if all of them something there in there, then probably pineapple do something for true. I don't know.
Maybe it cannot be still enough, but most people Google and get enough information still.
Yeah.
But back in the days when we never have no Google, I don't know. But
Right.
great grandparents know a lot of stuff, so I don't know.
All right. Hold on, one thing before you go. When you did grow up, me know from a talk to you, you a man, you make lime leaf tea already. You know about that. Lime leaf.
Yes, man.
Right, okay. You ever hear anything about mango leaf tea?
Since I've lately I heard about it.
No, but it's since lately, let me hear about it too. It's a big thing up here, it a sell enough up here. Mango leaf a sell enough up here, you know.
It's true, Raga. I have a friend in the United States, she said they sell it by the bag. Mango
They
leaf.
sell it by, I want big something up here, some mango leaf, good for this and that and rare. But me I say, but watch it, when me I grew up, me never hear about mango leaf, we know about lime leaf. And we hear about
lime and mint.
And mint.
And orange skin.
And orange skin, right? Orange skin tea. You better when you make orange skin dry, don't?
Yeah, all bush. The doctor recommend all bush to quail or dry.
Well,
let's say when it green it down, good for your liver, you know.
Oh no, well you have some mint. Them dry them when them green. You know, mint. Well, okay. Most mint and them something.
All bush, my bush, them have to dry.
Even mint?
Yes, man. I make all bush. I don't grow mint now still, but like when I purchase it from the market,
yeah,
I wait till it cools.
No, but when we make orange leaf tea, we don't drag it, take a leaf off a tree and dry that clots right away.
Yeah, that's how we used to do it growing up in Oregon.
Yeah.
But since we big and we learn something more, you know, say, you understand?
No, but
the
mango leaf thing you rock. Which one? What?
You know which one are the boss, Raga?
What?
Cut you now, because I don't want to keep up no more time.
No, yeah.
Soursop leaf. You see the soursop leaf?
What?
See?
That a run things up here too, man. Yeah.
Soursop leaf are the boss, Raga.
But what me I say is, when we grew up, me never know about soursop leaf tea and mango leaf tea. Me never. You didn't know about them some of them when you grew up?
We know about the soursop, but the mango leaf I just bought last year. I know about it.
Well, and you also when you grew up, you used to drink soursop leaf tea?
Yes, man.
Oh, really?
Yes,
okay,
man.
okay.
Yeah, man, and fever grass and you have one mint named Basil.
No, I know them. I know my mother. When you talk about fever grass, that's a fever mama something, man. Fever grass. She live by that. Yeah, she live by that. Fever grass. I know about them, but I never know about them big tree there. Them next thing you know, says therapy leaf probably good to her sitting on it. I don't know. I never, but I just never.
Raga, every leaf have the purpose, you know. Sometimes we don't know the purpose, you know. Because the creator have every bush for a purpose, but sometimes we don't know it. You understand?
Well, no, you have to be careful because some of them having things that's harmful to you.
Yeah.
But you know which one? There's no way to really know. Which one is harmful or what? Because some of them plant the toxic, you have to be careful. Some of them plant the toxic, or when heated, they become toxic, you have all kind of little something this. So, but an organic lifestyle when you live off of plants and vegetables, you can't lose this in general, but you still have to be careful. You still have to be careful.
That's why we say some of them we don't really know it. So what you don't know, you just
all right, see a TamFam there, Millicent. She said she drink enough.
Up here, Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, respect, cool.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right, see me I say several TamFam there. That thing I move too fast for me, pretty. Yo, hold on. Let me see if I can slow down that thing. It have a smaller window, Hold on, right, how me do. Lord, I present me. How me do that something, how me carry it down, May I try read this thing, Oh, I'm gone too far. Anyway, me see several TamFam of them a post I say. Several TamFam a post I say. Them a regular them drink soursop leaf tea. Me not lie, me never know about that one. Me never know about guava leaf is also one of the best bush tea for extremely bad period pain. Okay, Pretty Punchy post that. What y'all Pretty Punchy know about bush thing? What ya? And are we ever at school she? Yo, Yeah, Mr. several on a post and I say soursop leaf tea, Millicent and several on say soursop leaf. I never had that before. Me not lie people. And my mother, as she a boss pan them something there when she was alive and raised with. Me never really hear about that soursop leaf tea and whatever. But people, when you go in at these what them call them store there up here now, President, them health food store there, them health store there with them thing and whatever, man. Bruce Raga, I know about soursop leaf tea from I was small. I used to drink when I was a child till now. Well, see it there? I didn't know that was a thing in Jamaica. And I didn't know that. But some I learned something I know. But people, you see the soursop leaf and the mango leaf are the rage up here now. Are the rage. And you know what? I run the place a long time up here too, but now, all of a sudden, there's all these heavily marketed, benefits of it. Coconut water. Now, coconut water bust long time up here, but I'm just saying, lately, there's all this marketing and branding about its medicinal benefit. When we grew up, we just use a coconut water, wash your heart, whatever that means. We don't know, we just use it, wash your heart, meaning it's good for you if it clean your heart, and thing, whatever that means. And, but we never hear about all these supposedly, anti-cancer benefits of coconut water and what they must say about soursop now, big thing with soursop now, and the mango leaf. Okay, give me the call. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Yeah.
Greetings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we always know that.
Yeah, man, go on.
You with them what, man?
Yeah.
So we always know that soursop leaf with a little molasses is very good for the nerves. To rest, to calm the nerves, especially at night, to ready to sleep.
No, you're prepared. What you do? You just dry it?
Yes. And so you get a few leaves and you put it in a cup and just throw some boiling water over there and leave it to steam for a while.
All right. No, say I have some, again, I have a lot of some listeners up here. Them don't, it's funny, some things that we grew up with and it's just standard for us, we automatically know what we mean. And it's funny when people, so I just want to explain what draw mean as opposed to boil, so that them understand. Yeah.
So draw means that you put the leaf in a cup.
Mm-hmm.
After that, you boil the water and pour on the leaf in the cup.
You don't boil the leaf in the water. You don't boil the leaf in the water, right? That's something different. Yeah,
that's correct.
Right. And what are the benefits of draw? Because what them say, when you boil it, you will boil out too much of it. Right, but then when you dry it, you get more out of it because you're not boil it out. That is the idea. All right, then, cool.
That is correct.
So you say, when you dry soursop, you look at soursop and put molasses in it. That is good for you. Okay, man. Okay.
Good for the nerves.
I've never had that. I've never had that growing up in Jamaica. So me drink soursop juice, obviously, but I've just never had any soursop tea or anything like that. No, never had that. Never had that.
Yes, but I'm here to really address the issue that was raised on Friday night.
Which is?
And, I found it a bit unfortunate. When a lady who I personally respect a lot, I actually liked her because she's a very intelligent, very bright, very articulate lady. And, when she come on Friday night and said that the Lord is bathing with her in the bathroom, and he's telling her how something fat. And honestly, I found that to be very offensive.
Okay.
Quite offensive. And I think I think people these days have become so comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
That we believe that every single thing now that we should draw the name of the Lord in it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's quite dangerous because you have a lot of false prophets and preachers these days going around preaching and robbing people, saying that God tell them this morning, say them to do this and them to do that.
True.
And therefore, one have to be careful when we come around making these kind of statements, because when these kind of statements are made, it set a precedent. For somebody, you might hear on your program, on your show, a few weeks from now, that Raga, God tell me say, me go scam somebody to the motor, because them wicked all white people and them wicked, and a long time they have black people under slavery, so God tell someone scam them.
Oh, hold on, did you say that you may hear that?
Yes, somebody may come up.
Oh, no. Hold on. That has been said. And it's funny you said, because I was surprised you said that. I was like, did you just say it's a hypothetical? Several scammers have already said that. Several scammers have already said that God give them the vision and give them the methodology and thing to correct, the injustices done by white people and black people. So, them have several videos going around with scammers who said, you never hear this, you never see any of them before?
Well, I'm not sure if I actually did.
Well, some of them just say it in a political sense, but there have been those who say, like, this is God ways, I get back at the white people and who them do so and so and so. Yes, so I'm just saying, just so you know, that it has already been said.
And another thing could be said, that the supremacists, them, can get up one morning and say, boy, say, it's God tell me say before kill a portion of people.
Wait. But you know that has existed for 100 years though, right? You know that.
That's simple.
No, you know that, right? No, but hold on, hold on. That white supremacists, part of why a lot of them do what them do is that they believe it is. Well, you know that, right? Here in America, when the white people came from Europe and they saw the Native Americans already living here and thing, the philosophy that underpinned what they did, and gave them justification for stealing the land from the Native Americans was that it was God who tell them to do it. The white people who came over here from Europe, they were primarily missionaries, They were primarily people of faith, And their thing is they come and them say a different culture, people, interpreting the world and their environment differently. And as usual, with a lot of white people throughout that time, if you weren't white and you never see the world the way they saw the world, then you were barbaric. That was a common term. You were barbaric, or from the Bible they use this word that we use now. They were heathen. You're familiar with that word, them heathen, right? And they said that God anointed them to kill the people and because them evil and them are worship other things where is ungodly, so you're justified for killing them and taking them land and whatever. And even now, even in modern America and other, white, countries with white, with white populace and whatever, right now you have this common doctrine. There's a big thing in America right now, what they call white, what them calling? Them have different term for it. It's like a white form of Christianity, right? A white militant form of Christianity right now. That is, they see Barack Obama, black president, all long, and they see, that their percentage in the population decreasing. They see non-white peoples doing what they call doing well, and demanding equal treatment and whatever. A lot of them, even interracial, unions and whatever and all them something, that they see that those things as being ungodly. That's not God's wishes. And that give them the justification for go kill people and, non-white people and all these things. So that is already here. It's been here for a long time, and, it is
nevertheless, in our country and with our culture, from ever since we are young people growing up, we always thought that we should, respect, the word of God or respect God.
Right.
And do not, it's amazing.
No, basically, and yes, President Jacob, we'll take some other call. No, but the point you're making is she got too far. That as far as you're concerned, she got too far. All right, then. Yes, Elaine too cute, she got too far. I talk about when she had beard, God see her something and God said fat and all them something. She got too far with it. Okay, as a matter of respect, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
It's too far.
Right.
So, I think in going forward, she must be careful of those kind of statements.
Right.
Because those kind of statements, you see, in other.
But real quick, may I take some other car? But real quick, what about the notion where? Because when she said that, Mr. Be careful, you're going to make all my mother turn and say, so I'm raise your Kingsley, but anyway, right, because I realized that was a delicate thing we should do. But what I'm saying, what about the notion, though, where, and just answer this as quickly as I can. I'm coming, Prezi. Many Jamaicans, they have internalized a thing about nakedness as being profane. So to be anything to do with nakedness is just profane. And many Jamaicans have interpreted that to be, it's like a slackness that is sacrilegious in some way and it's not anything that's supposed to have any form of intersection with anything to do with God and faith, which is really, I find it really weird. And I was making the argument, and I said, wait a second, if God is everywhere, which, is one of the fundamental tenets of Christian doctrine, that God is everywhere.
Yes,
why would God be with you when you're naked? Real quickly, answer that. Come here, take some other card.
It's not a matter of God is not with you.
Right.
But you don't want to move it into that realm that God will start examining.
No. I would that part is settled. That should go too far. Right. I'm asking you another matter though, which a lot of Christians they don't anything to do with nakedness. Nobody involve God in it. Anything to do with sex, don't involve God in it. And I'm like, but if God is everywhere,
but sex, sex is between, two persons. So, as far as I'm concerned, if I'm
nowadays sex can be between more than two. But what I'm saying is God present. All right, two people of faith, two Christian having sex. God is not present there.
Well,
is it awkward and uncomfortable and disrespectful to even think about God when you're engaging in sex? Put straight up question.
I wouldn't say that. But,
okay,
I would not pull the Lord into that thing.
You wouldn't pull the Lord into that thing?
No, I wouldn't use the kind of reference that two cues would have used.
No, we settled that already. You keep going back to that. I'm just talking about we put two cute alien in our place. I'm just saying this broader thing from Jamaica when you grew up, like once you talk about sex or once anything for the, it reach a point where if a woman wear a miniskirt, and religious people in Jamaica, they use a language as to suggest that that is not good in the sight of the Lord and about the evils of the flesh. And I'm like,
on the street or in your
no, I'm just saying in general, is it wrong to even think of God in any instance of nakedness or sexuality?
Well, I wouldn't say it is wrong.
Okay, all right.
I wouldn't say it. I wouldn't say that it is wrong.
All right, then. Make a bunks on this call. Always provocative when me hear your reason, you know. All right, big up yourself. Here? Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, next call. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Send out the call, Prezi. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, quick one. You know, so when we grow up, they must say carrot good for your eyesight, see?
Yes. I heard that a lot growing up, yeah.
Well, me and my brethren, you know this one of them called shame on you, the bush there, shame on you.
Yes.
So my brethren, I draw a whole heap of shame on you. I say, what are you doing with that? Man said it's good for eyesight.
Oh.
I said, I never know of that. So I said, boy, with me here, you talk about the different thing, you know. I said, let me get that one here. You know, I don't know if anybody out there.
No, for those of you who don't know, the bush that we call shame on you is that little green bush. It's small, but when you touch it, them close up. Them have these small, sort of elongated leaves.
No,
like.
you have to say shame on you, man, and it close up.
No, man, touch it. You don't know, say shame on you, and it you're wicked, eh? Yo, you have to touch it, man, and when you touch them turn them. So when you say him boil that and when him dry that or him dry it?
Yep, yeah, man, like Cersei, and say good for eyesight.
Oh, I've never heard of that. That. You ever hear about pineapple good for here?
No, I never hear about that. But with the banana and the kerosene oil, good for when you have mumps.
No, you get it wrong, you know.
No, man, when you have mumps.
No, when you have mumps are ashes.
Everybody do it different, man. Saying greater the banana, warm it and tight on their chin with a piece of white cloth. You know why them always
for mums? For mums?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, brother, man.
That thing that for mums was it warm ashes?
Well, everybody do them thing different, but me see them use the banana with the white cloth and the kerosene oil.
Yes, but remember, say the whole thing with the banana, you know, is for draw out poison. It's for draw out what?
It draw down swelling too, man.
It draw down swelling. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Banana one powerful something, you know, rather the green banana, you know. Powerful, simple seed, man.
Okay. Well, it have all these uses, you know, the green banana there. You know. Why you laughing? Was it something I just said? I don't understand you. All I did was I repeated what you said and you start. So why you never laugh when you say it, but when me repeat when you say you? I am very confused right I am so lost right now. You have me confused. All I did was repeat what you said. You said the green banana, there is a powerful thing. It's very good. And all I said was, yes, man, it's powerful for true, you know. And you start laugh. You know.
Alright, but with the bush, with the mango thing and them something, you know.
Yeah.
Every island have them different fruit tree where them use for boil tea, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Every island,
right.
Just like how we use eat susumba.
Yeah.
Eat to use it for do something else. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, them use it for what? Them free that you're frig.
Yeah, so every island have them different.
Right. Some island, you know, you can't get them for eat ackee, you know.
That's true, man.
Can't get them feed Aki them, you know, them no touch or
Real.
something. Them think
Well,
we're weird.
you have people that eat raw ackee down here now in Raga.
Say what?
Yeah, man. Raw ackee, raw.
What you mean?
I'm
Like
saying-
for what? Why?
Just because them say them eye tell, them no boil nothing, them no eat no meat, and them just pick the fruit and eat it raw.
Listen to me, man. When I was in Jamaica and doing outside broadcast, there was this man there who, for decades, he has never eaten any cooked food, right? And you know the big singer, Octane, right?
Yeah.
You know what it, you know film story, right?
No, I don't really follow them up.
Well,
Yeah,
Octane, he cut out cooked food, you know, man, and cut out, well, yeah, of course, him not eat meat, but him cut out cooked food, and then there was one big thing when him they drop down. Now, enough people are saying I not eat right, but it could be anything else and whatever. No, I win. When I say, thank you, Robert Blackwood, thank you. I talk about Octane. It's I win. I stand corrected, not Octane. Not Octane. All right, it's I win. And him they drop down. And you know, Jamaica with this thing about, you know, you have to, Jamaican, you know, them condition, if you believe, say, if you don't eat meat, you know, what the protein. You know that a lot of Jamaicans don't even know that some plants have more protein than meat.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes I put up, a couple of times I put up meals on social media, and you know a lot of peas and beans and them something them have whole heap of protein. And I find it interesting that when you put up that and the Jamaicans them will just repeatedly like, so what the protein and a protein in, then a protein in, then a protein, what the protein there. And I'm like, them really don't know. And it just go back to this whole contestation now where we always have like, you know, like fruits and vegetables good for you and all them something. Then they have these people who say, boy, when it raw, it better. And but I don't know about raw ackee. I don't think some would have reached this.
Yeah, man, but cut it short, rather. I have a virgin, so the mother I cook. If she not left a cup of the pot water for him, it's like him not eating, you know.
Hold on.
When she cook food, like banana, yam, and if she not leave a cup of the pot water for him,
no, I have heard that pot water based on when you see what we call produce, which is really a short for ground produce. I have here said that is the best pot water you can drink, you know.
Yeah, man, everything boil out in the water.
Exactly, particularly when time we cook our green banana with the skin. Them say the best thing you can. But if you really think about what we consider healthy, which is roots, it's just really a concentrated form of the same thing where we are doing when we cook regularly with the ground, when we cook with ground produce, don't it?
What you know, Raga? America make out, see, banana boil in the skin, you know.
Joke That's a common thing at Jamaica. You never see that at Jamaica before you come to America?
Me say no, sir.
No, I joke here, man.
Raga.
You may call me, what?
Raga, me say, when me go to America and with the America there and go to a restaurant and I do all the so boom and draw for the banana them for peel. Man said, no man, we don't peel banana, so you don't peel banana. Man said, just bust them in two and wash them and throw them like when the pot up.
Right, you have to cut them in the seam.
Some of them cut them in a half, some just slice them down.
Oh, some of them just cut them in a half, so?
Yeah, man.
Okay. No, but that supposedly, you know, that is a better way for cook it, you know, because supposedly it's more nutritious that way there. But the pot water something there, man. The pot water something, if you really think about it. Remember, say, even up here, we don't really have the something them like done, because when me up here, people have yam up here, you know. Them have banana, them have plantain and thing, right? But you know what, we don't really see that. It up here, you know, but we don't really see cocoa. We don't see dasheen. We don't see them something there, you know? Like, you know.
Yeah, man. You have to go in a Korean store, man. Them call it that different name, but
I know it's here. I'm just saying that up here it's not a thing like it is in Jamaica. People don't really cook it that much up here.
When
them cook yam and banana and them something there, but not cocoa and dashing and them thing there. And them, you know.
For real.
Yeah, you know.
Come on, let's go on their thing, man.
All right, my general. You know? Blessings, man. Cool. No, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. From the U.S., it's 888-546-8742. From the U.S. or Canada, it's 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. No, people, you see that pot water something there? My mother, yeah, again, I don't know, my mother was a country woman, you know, and my mother was a woman of the soil. That she grew up with. My mother never liked rice, you know. My mother no like dumpling, you know. When my mother cook dumpling, I mean she cook dumpling for her, you know. When my mother cook rice, she cook rice to me and my sister, you know. My mother no like them something, them. I just grown produce my mother there, right? Her favorite thing was, she said Sylvinson, like many Jamaican, which when I get older, I get to understand is the same thing as Saint Vincent or white yam or soft yam. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. Again, if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. But as best as I can remember, that soft white yam were good. Me like it for gravy. Me never like eat it by itself. But anything like you have some curry gravy, I eat curry chicken with a yam there, a mad thing, man. And then now, there was a thing now with a yam there now, where you just put butter upon it. Like if you don't have nothing else, as we would have said, meat kind, right? So Jamaicans have this thing where if you don't have meat, or you don't have something that can be substituted for meat, but be reminded that very often Jamaica refer to something as meat kind, which up here is a vegetable. So Jamaica would say, so you're not a meat, so you're not a meat kind, and the meat kind is callaloo or cabbage. The idea is something to eat with the dumpling and the banana, and something to eat with the yam or whatever, and, the ackee and them. They are not meat, but for whatever reason, Jamaicans just say meat kind. Perhaps it's a testament to the prominence and importance of meat, so that if you don't have meat, you have an alternative, which is healthier for you, but it's not meat. Given that meat is so important, and it is part of what is considered a complete meal in Jamaica, that you have to refer to the substitute, which is vegetable, as meat kind. But it's a thing in Jamaica. And but that look a soft yam there. The soft. Maureen said, Raga, 3 different soft yam. Lord Jesus, God. Sometimes when I just stir up my head, man. What you mean 3 different soft yam I have? Is one soft yam I have, not the one white soft yam. Okay. Am I wrong? Sylvinson, my mother pronunciation, Sylvinson, which I think is Saint Vincent, white yam and soft yam. Aren't those 3 names for the same thing? Yes or no? Are those 3 names for the same thing? Sylvinson, a.k.a. St. Vincent. No, the purple yam, there was one different yam, man. The purple yam was one different yam when you cook it purple. But me don't know that one the name. Somebody want to tell me. Oh, Millicent said no. Nakita said no. Okay. Wait. Ooh, I never say anything about sweet yam. We never say sweet yam and St. Vincent are the same thing. I did not say that. Camille said different. Hello, caller, hello.
Hello, good night.
Wagwan.
Me there, my good man. Me there, my good man. Look, I rub my foot. I'll wait for you.
We ask, talk to me.
All right, you have Sylvinson yam, you have moonshine yam, I have sweet yam, that is renta yam, 3 different yam. You can't eat them hot, you have to eat them cold.
No. You have woolly yam. What I'm asking about is the white yam.
Yeah, remember the renta white. Remember
oh,
renta
okay,
yam
so that is
white.
what you're telling me. Renta yam white, right? All right.
Exactly.
What the other
And
white
Sylvinson.
yam? No, hold on. What the other white yam? Sylvinson, right?
You have Sylvinson.
Yeah.
I have the renta. The moonshine now is the purple yam.
Oh, and sometimes it's white. It's coming like purple and white, no?
Right.
That's the KC yam, purple and white.
Right.
So what may I say now? That soft white yam there. I eat them also called white yam?
No. Remember you have white yam, come from what they call the place in our country there now. It name Lucy. It also
no.
soft.
Okay, Lucy yam white too.
Yes, and it's also soft.
And it also so the soft white yam is Lucy yam.
And it can be hafu. You have one yam they call hafu. It's also white.
Hold on. No. So is Lucy yam and hafu yam the same thing?
2 different yams. Because if you go down a town and you don't know
no,
it.
but you confused me, man. You're not working with me. But I ask you to explain one thing and you're chewing something else. But I just ask you.
Okay, listen, I said...
Hold on. Make go back up. The soft white yam. Where that one the name? The one where the soft white yam. Lucy. Okay. Do you have a soft white yam when you're white yam?
Yes, but a lot of people don't know the difference of the yam them, A lot of people don't know them because, all right, the first time you go down a town and you see the Lucy yam, them are going to tell you, so if you ask, this is Afro, them are going to say yes because you don't know the difference. But if you know the difference between Lucy and Afro, it's also white.
Okay, no, so you... So, no, okay. Here's the question.
Hold
on. So the Lucy and the Afro are 2 soft white yam?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So the Lucy and the Afro are 2 soft white yam. The Sylvinson is a soft white yam too?
Yes. You have to cook that in, all right. Me cook it in a plastic bag. Me cook that in a plastic bag. Because me not put it in it's like a mash out and turn soup in the pot.
Oh, which one that?
The Sylvinson.
The Sylvinson? Okay.
Right. So you have me put in that when I cook it, me put in a plastic bag. That's it now turn soup in the pot. If you ever put in the pot with the rest of food them, by the time you finish cooking, you have to straight off the top of the water and drink the pot water.
All right, hold on. Prezi, who down there? All right, Kevin, take Hot and Spicy number and call her back there for me and take a break here. We have to take a break, but we know say a credit of pressure, we don't want to fling her out. Well, she a sidewalk, she lip on anyway. So, well, Kevin, take Hot and Spicy number, call her back. We'll take a break. We'll soon forward.
Decades of hits, from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
This is Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
All right, back in our juggling and thing and whatever, and Hot and Spicy, did I educate about the white? You ever see some calls up here, but yeah. Yes, Hot and Spicy, yeah.
Yes, my friend, there again.
Mm-hmm.
The Sylvinson yam, it's white.
Yeah.
White.
And soft. Right.
Yeah, very soft.
Okay.
Right? Just like the renta yam, what them call sweet yam. It's white too and it's soft.
Hold on. Renta yam and sweet yam, I see same thing?
I the one thing, but some people, as me tell you see when no people...
No. Hold on. No. Is renta yam and sweet yam the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yam.
Okay, good, fine. And go on.
Right, one yam, but you see, because of a sweet scent, when you go down a town and you see about sweet yam, is no sweet yam, and the same renta yam. Because most people don't know the difference, so people use that and catch them. But like me, know when we say is the renter yam, especially when yam kind of scarce. And then you got the young one, them can come at town with more smell sweet. So me no buy them the yam that town, because me no say I know yam time make them the yam the spring. So me no buy yam, I buy yellow yam now. I mean, we buy loosey yam, and we buy half yam. You understand me? So them can't catch me, because me know them the yam there.
Oh, and again, loosey yam and half yam are two different yam?
Two different yam, I go to them white.
Okay, but both of them white and soft.
Right. But all right, you see when you go to market now, you see the half one, it have some little sprout on it. Like you know that the susumba tree stay?
Yeah.
Some little sprout like maca.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
so
which one have that? Which one have that?
The loosey.
Oh, the loosey. Okay.
Right. It have some little juky sprout on it.
So in a nutshell, before we take some more card before. How many white yam you have now? And how many soft white yam?
You have the Sylvanson, you have the Renter, you have the Lucy, and you have the Afro. Then the one that me know no more.
So Jamaica have 4 soft white yam. Sylvanson, Lucy, Afro, and which one again? Renter.
Renter,
okay.
Right. Them the me know.
And the one with them call sweet
Moonshine.
Yam too. No, hold on. The one with them call sweet yam. That one is also the Afro yam, right?
No, the other one is also the Renter yam.
It's also the Renter yam. The sweet yam is also the Renter yam. And the moonshine, which one now?
And the moonshine, I see them Sylvanson yam, but it's purple. That's why them call it moonshine.
Oh, okay.
Purple. That's why they call it moonshine. But I see Sylvanson yam. But no people don't know it.
Hold on. Maybe just see me get it. So we have 4 white yam, which is Sylvanson, Renter, Afro, and Lucy. But the Sylvanson is also called moonshine. And that's when the purple one come out. And you said and then which one you said now is also called the sweet yam? Which one now?
The same Renter yam.
The same Renter yam is also called the sweet yam. All right, good. No, you just clarify something for me now. Well, I learned something tonight, yeah.
But anyway, the breadfruit leaf, breadfruit leaf can drink though.
Really?
Yeah, breadfruit leaf can drink. Yeah, all right, you don't know, but breadfruit leaf, banana leaf can drink.
Well, you can't dry them and drink them?
When me not dry them, I boil them, me not dry them.
Well, no, because some of them have to boil, some have to dry. But you say breadfruit and...
Every bush me boil, me not dry no bush, every bush me boil.
Oh, Jesus, you're not going to kill me. All right, every bush you boil. But you say breadfruit leaf and banana leaf can boil?
Yes.
And drink as well, what, tea?
As tea, yes, as tea. All right, the banana leaf come like a tonic. You can boil it and you drink it all the time. You don't have to put no sugar in it.
Oh, okay. Yo, me never know them. Some of them, I never hear that before. And a breadfruit leaf and banana leaf can boil. I never hear them some of them before.
Yes. You never know that susumba leaf can also drink for cold bush.
Well, me know, I've never had it, but me know say susumba leaf. Yeah. Rasta them, me say do that. Rasta them, me say do that. Me say Rasta do that.
No, well, when me drink susumba leaf for cold bush, especially you beat it, put it on one little piece of material and you squeeze it and put little salt in it and you drink it. Anyway, the cola that take out the cola.
Oh, I know Rasta who just drink it normally because them say them are, clean, it's just a regular thing for them. Them just drink susumba tea. I've never had it though. I've never.
Yeah, man, and Jamaica people eat raw ackee all of a sudden. Because I know one guy said he used to blend the ackee and eat it as skip. He not cook the ackee. He blend the ackee and eat it to the biscuit or bread or anything.
What you mean blend? He put the raw ackee in a water and just blend it? In a blender?
In a blender and blend it and eat it as he call it sip.
What?
Me ask him if something can go. He say, yeah, he eat it with biscuit, bread and such. When he eat it with...
Wait, are you saying it's a thing now? Like more people are doing it?
Yeah.
No, but why are they doing it? What is the supposed benefit of it?
Me and this CM shows like to know why. Me don't like to know why they eat raw ackee.
What? But why? Is there something we take off down there now? Like, is something we take off at Jamaica? More people are doing it?
You like it take off long time, but enough people just know. So everybody, Jamaica people love follow. Some Jamaica people love follow, so everybody are go follow. Right?
No, because I didn't know that this was going on. I didn't know.
Yeah, man, along years, me know people eat raw ackee, years, but me know it get popular now. It get popular.
Oh, okay. And then Jamaica, them have a thing, you say, they might eat anything to do with bush or whatever. And then you say, why good for the first thing out of them, good for your nerves. I can't tell you how many times you hear Jamaica tell us, say, the reason why something good for you is good. Listen to me, enough of them are foolishness, them a chap. Make I take another call. Everything is good for your nerves. When them don't know them, I say everything is good.
You know Guinean weed, right?
Yeah, I know Guinean weed, yeah.
Right, the root is very good for headache, and the root is very good for even fever.
No. We have whole heap of thing. We're good for whole heap of thing. I'm just saying we have whole heap of thing down at Jamaica. Because I say you have a lot of people. Them just follow other people, and when them don't know anything, the first thing them tell us, well, you say why you take that? Like the catch-all is, good for your nerves, you know. I find that funny. Anyway, let me take another call. The president have to beat me here. Blessings here.
Go ahead, president, because nobody want you.
Pressy, you don't hear that? All right, that's spicy. Blessings here, cool. All right, Pressy, bring in there, caller. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Yeah, are you on?
Greetings to you, babe.
You're not on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece? Hello?
What happened?
You're not on speakerphone, Bluetooth,
Raga.
or ear. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you very loud and clear.
Okay, are you on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece? Or earpiece?
No, I'm not on none of those things.
All right, yes, man. Talk to me, I know.
Okay, listen to me now.
Yes.
I'm going to tell you about the soft yam them that you're talking about.
Yes.
You have renter.
Yes.
You have renter. You have Sylvinson.
Yeah.
You have sweet yam.
Yes.
You have sweet yam.
Yes.
Those are you have renter, Sylvinson, and sweet yam. You don't have no other soft yam.
Hold on. She said Afu yam is a soft white yam. Try that at spicy just
No.
Wait, no, go so down.
Nothing don't go so. Yellow yam and pum yam.
Yes.
It's the same thing.
As what?
Because when you cut the yellow yam and pum yam.
Yes.
It's the same yellow yam. It's when you cut the yellow yam and you put down the head back in the ground, it instead it come down long, it's round. So some people call it round yam, some people call it pum yam, but it's the same yellow yam.
Well, hold on. Why? Listen to me. Let me just tell you from now, because you know more about this than me, right? You know more about this than me. But I have to tell you, when I was growing up, I have never heard people say yellow yam and pum yam are the same thing. There is always two different yam. Are you sure?
No.
Yeah. No, are you sure? You're sure say it's the same yam? Because I've never heard Jamaicans confuse pum yam with yellow yam.
Pum yam and yellow yam is the same thing. When you cut the yellow yam head and put it back in the ground, in the yam hill, it come round. So then call it pum yam.
Hold on. So you say yellow yam, and when you cut it and put it back in a hole at that time, it turn pum yam?
It come round. You're supposed to cut the yellow yam and then take it and set it as it get high and put it back in the ground to grow. But some people mold it up back with the dirt. If they're not ready to plant it back yet, and it come round. So I sit and call it pum yam.
No, I think I think you're explaining to me, how the pum yam come in, but I'm not sure why it have to go back in at the ground to become the pum yam. I not get that part.
Because people not ready to plant the head yet. So then put it back in the ground, back in the same hole where they could take out the yellow yam from. And it stayed and turn back pum yam. It not grow down long, it just turn round. It's round.
Yeah.
Some people call it round
Yes,
or something like that.
Yes. Yeah, okay, all right.
And then you have and then you have mozzarella yam.
Mozzarella yam,
and then
yeah.
you have Lucy yam.
Well, on, sorry there. President, what you give a joke for? President, you give a joke. So, sorry here. Go on, talk. Yeah, one president. Go, sorry
and
here.
then you have mozzarella yam and you have Lucy yam.
Yeah, mozzarella yam. But then you at and spice say Lucy yam and soft white yam, soft white yam too.
It's not soft. She don't know. I know country she come from.
Okay.
Tulani. Listen. You say mozzarella yam.
Yeah.
You say mozzarella yam is that every parish is growing to.
Oh, okay.
And I can tell them that it most grow in Manchester.
Oh,
Yellow
okay.
yam is a capital to Trelawney.
Exactly, we know that.
Renta.
Yeah.
And Renta yam.
So well on. So when Hot and Spicy, cause Hot and Spicy say a 4 soft white yam we have, you know. She say, you know, Sylvinson, Afo, Renta, and Lucy. And she said one of them they also call it moonshine, the Sylvinson. And she said one next one, they also call it sweet yam. And what? So you say she have it wrong then?
Sweet yam, when she said sweet yam, she said sweet yam is the same Renta yam.
Yeah.
But sweet yam is a sweet yam. It's not Renta yam. Some people, even into America here, they call Renta sweet yam. You understand? But you have real sweet yam. Those that then sell into America here is not sweet yam. It's a young Renta, as what Spice and the lady said.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, yes.
But you have sweet yam. You have a yam named sweet yam.
Okay, so well on. I think she said sweet yam is same as like Mr. Lucy or one of them. So, but you say sweet yam. Renta. Sweet yam is same as so yeah. But you say sweet yam is a different yam by itself.
It's a different total yam.
So Hot and Spicy don't know what she did that said then.
That's right.
She never know what she has said. Hold on. She never know what she did that said then.
No.
Okay.
And when that guy go and tell you said he sent him come to America and said bananas cooking skin. Ask him if he never used to drink manish water.
Manish water, exactly.
Goat water, manish water at Jamaica. We then cut up the banana and throw in a heap.
Yes, that is true. I was very surprised him say a foreign him come see it because I don't really see it a foreign unless 1 or 2 Jamaican do it. It's Jamaica. I mean, you know people do that. Them not really do it, and forget the nice, rich, iron-filled pot water, you know? For iron, well, some woman, what them tell woman for drink when them have period cramp problem and thing, them say cookie banana in there and whatever and drink the water there and all them something there. And woman who have too much heavy bleeding and thing and so forth, them say for kind of replace them iron. You never hear about that?
Yes, it gives iron.
Right, iron,
banana
right.
Is a very iron.
Well, yeah, and that mean them tell the woman them.
This again.
Yeah.
Hear this again. You see any bush, you see goat eat, human being can take that bush and boil and make tea. Any bush, you see a goat. A goat eat, human being can take that bush and boil tea.
Any bush goat eat, human being can take that bush boil tea.
I'm wild.
All right. I'm going to try to get one another call before me leave here. But thank you for them there because you're really clear. But we have to be careful, you know, because the goat, them have a thing with them name anything, them, you know, them name all paper and all and sit there, you know. So we have to go careful.
Bush.
Yeah, bush.
Talk about bush.
Okay.
Bush were in a country.
All right.
And there's a next bush where if you not see goat eat it certain time of year, do not touch that bush.
Which bush that?
That's what it name. They forgot what it name. Maybe somebody else go and call you and tell you.
Since you talk about goat, you know, I hope it's not ram goat dash along, you know.
Me not talk about ram goat dash along.
Okay.
Me know what you're talking about.
Okay, all right.
Goodbye, Trenchtown Rat.
All right, so where you calling from, you know?
I'm calling from the Boogie Down Bronx.
Shot! My love, how you say that? I'm calling from the Boogie Down Bronx. So what do you, Raga? All right, then big up yourself here.
Okay, baby.
All right, love and blessings. Cool. I'm calling from the Boogie Down Bronx. Okay, all right. All right, next caller, present before my cut. Give me a call. Hello.
Good night, bossy.
Yeah.
We are dealing. Robert, man. Oh, them a talk about yam, man. They're sitting there, be here, sure one. But out of time, spicy, no yam, man. Yes, you know yam, but whatever talk about me like, oh, the issue of go a history not talk about me like, oh, I go on. Nobody not calling and ask about no dating, nothing, really. We not talk about yam. What that the man don't know nothing about banana, man. When I talk about upper Friday and go see, man, I cook banana and a skin. That's how history out there, man.
Oh, so you basically are calling for tell us the show are going good and just tell we back the things them where we hear, don't you?
Me just I last part, I catch it, me just wake up.
Okay.
Drop asleep. So when we are talking about, say, we must say, the lady I say, amount of yam we have. So what I'm telling him, you have Sylvans, you have Renter, you have Sylvans Renter. And when she said about it's soft yam, we are talking about eat with curry.
Oh no, so what I'm saying is, I noticed what you do, you just repeat what you did here already, right? So okay, repeat it. Repeat. Repeat what we heard already. Tell us, yeah.
Me just hear say you talk about country and them things, and me just wake up.
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
When the man I say he call in and I say he never say when me out of them cook banana in ice skin and me drink water. And he is the same way out here. You understand? That have it up here. So when him say over foreign, nothing no go so.
Okay.
Nothing don't go so.
All right.
You understand?
Seen.
What him saying, him something, him hot and spicy, no yam, man. And she know yam. So but me no hear she a call him. She like she there inside, but big up herself see her.
All right then. Let me take a last call and call some people that try it. Yes,
man.
All right then. Cool, man. Thanks. Yes, Prezi.
I want to confirm something with Raga.
Greetings. Hello.
Raga, what's up?
Yeah, there I know. Yes.
Yeah, you doing, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, me good. Listen, so, you know what the lady said about the goat them?
Yeah.
When anytime you say a goat eat a bush, you can do, yeah, me confirm that because me grow up a country and I hear them say all the time. Like, sometimes a goat don't eat certain type of cassava leaf because poisonous at certain time of year and
No, she was saying that there's a certain type of leaf where you can only deal with it certain year. Got the goat, them don't eat that leaf certain time of year. Which leaf is that now?
Well, me know say like if a goat don't eat the leaf, certain leaf from the cassava, then cassava the bitter. Them not go eat it. Remember that when I grew up.
Is it the case that the one them where them eat, we can't eat it, but the one them where them, the cassava leaf where them eat, we can't eat it, but the one where them don't eat, we enough to eat it, right? That you saying?
I think so. It probably bitter, because some cassava bitter, and you can't eat that. So that's why. That's me grew up and see that, and them say no. But usually they say whatever goat eat, most of the time people can't.
Any bush where goat eat, people can't eat that and use that dry tea or whatever.
I heard that growing up.
You hear that growing up.
I grew up here that.
You see, these things are interesting stuff for you, because, you talk about people, you talk about some things that come from way back when we're, this kind of connection with the environment and your surrounding, a holistic, organic living and thing where everything, you have some sort of interaction, go on time dependent, some time of the year, watch what the animal they are doing and think to know what is good for them look at something there, whatever. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. I've learned a lot tonight. I never hear that before. Anything where any bush where you say goat eat, people can eat that too, and that is a Jamaican custom. I did not know that at all.
So let me tell you this one quick thing.
Yeah.
Where I know a chemist. I know a chemist where our company sent out to Jamaica to go learn from the older people them the different type of bush and the different type of medicine, and then take samples of it and stuff like that to bring back to America to make a
it's not just Jamaica. There are all these big multinational companies here. They have departments where they fund people to travel to all these countries in developing nations, right? Remember, this is a model coming from the whole colonial enterprise, where you're supposed to go out there and get things and bring back, right? Remember, when Christopher Columbus was going out, why Queen Isabella gave him the 3 ships? Because he might go out, he's supposed to go in the east, which is supposed to be India, and go get the spices and all these things, and then them bring back. And of course, what they do, they brand them, they rebrand them, rename them and things.
Rebranded.
So a lot of things that people attribute to Europe and these countries and whatever, it is part of 100 years of practice, which is to go to these countries, get them. It's just that the modern manifestation of it is done more. It's almost secretive, right? Brazil is a primary place where them going to the Amazon and them get all these things, the pharmaceutical companies and things, and them rebrand them all over Africa. Asia is a very, very common place for that or whatever. So it's a long-standing practice on their part, We'd love to talk about this some more, but we run out of time, Papa.
I know, but man, time enough. But rather look on the iron banana. We have it right there. Just cut off some banana, boil it.
Yeah.
And you get enough heavily concentrated iron, but listen, we'll go buy the pill.
No,
right?
I've always heard that. Cause when women have every bleeding and them go through them iron depletion and whatever and thing, there's all these banana remedies and thing. And one thing I hear the elder woman them tell the young girl them say, when you grow up, say, listen to me, man, if you cook a banana them with the skin in a pot and drink a banana because your period heavy and you drain your iron and them something there. Because most of them people never have no pill. If you go doctor and get no prescription and get no pill, iron, this and that, Later on, them things that they come out,
The best pot soup, I when you cook ackee and saltfish with susumba. The best pot soup you can ever drink. Trust me, Papa.
Ackee and saltfish with susumba?
When you cook the ackee and the saltfish in the same pot, and you cook it with
the pot water there? The pot water there? You said the pot water there bad?
Pot water there.
Okay, well, whenever I hear that too, all right then. Well, saltfish spice up anything. All right, big up yourself.
Countryman. Country. Big up yourself, Raga.
That's your word, man. All right, blessings, man. Cool.
All right.
People, this has been a most interesting night. If it's up to me, they say them look at something, them look at media, and them look at reason, them something I'm going to juggle all night. I love them something, I love my country, my bird country. I love Jamaica, right? No coincidence why I went into anthropology. Anthropologists study culture and identity and whatever. And these are some of the things that fall within, the parameters of, anthropology as a social science. The relationship between these properties of your environment and your identity, who you are, collectively and individually, and things. These things just intrigue me, and it makes learning a pleasure. Tonight, I know when you say, any bush where you say goat eat, you can use that. I love them look at something they say. All right, people, bless up on yourself, Wednesday again, all right? Wednesday again, See? Blessings, take care, out the road.